Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. I'm going to be making homemade chicken noodle soup today, and it's great for those days when you're a little under the weather or simply as an appetizer before a meal. And before we get started on how to make this comforting soup, I wanted to show you that my flowers are still growing in the middle of mid-October here in Canada, for one thing, and I think that's really awesome, but I have more awesome news to share with you. Yay! It's finally here! So now I'm proud to say that both of my cookbooks are available on Amazon. And I have also provided quick links in the description below this video. Special credit goes to Ryan and Lisa Mills for making this possible. This was a true labor of love. I want to say thank you so much. And also a heartfelt thank you to those who subscribed and purchased my books. I appreciate your support. Now without further ado, let's get right to today's featured recipe. In order to make this wonderful soup, we're going to need some chicken broth. Chicken broth can be from a chicken that you've roasted in the oven, and you can use the broth from that, or you can purchase it in the grocery store. We're going to need about 6 cups of this. So we'll go ahead and pour that into a mid-size sauce pot. We're going to need a little bit of onion, so we're going to take a sweet onion because we don't want to make this too strong. We want it to be just a little bit tasty with it. So I chopped up about 1/4 cup of sweet onion and added that to the pot. Now leftover chicken or turkey, I prefer chicken. I put in about 1 cup. And then I put a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. And give it a good sprinkle of some salt and pepper. I usually add about 1/2 teaspoon of pepper and just a good sprinkle of salt. Some of the chicken broth already has some salt in it, so you can add as much or as little as you want. Although salt adds a lot of flavor, you can control the amount that you put in it if you need to. Now for this one, I actually get soup noodles. They're nice and fine and a great complement in this soup. So you can add as many or as little of those that you want as well. I added a good stacking 1/2 cup, but I think you could add a whole cup. If you like lots of noodles, it would be just fine. Remember to bring it to a full rolling boil before you add your noodles. The soup noodles will cook up in less than 4 minutes. Because these noodles are so fine, they do cook up quickly. So I cooked them for probably about 3 minutes, removed the pot from the stove and let them finish cooking while they're just sitting there. And so I let it sit for maybe another couple of minutes or 5 minutes. We don't want to overcook the noodles either. You want them to be just perfect and not too mushy. So serve that up into your bowl. And this is really tasty and a comforting soup for sure. Add a couple of crackers here or there on the side, and hey, enjoy. And this is great for rainy day weather as well. Whether or not you're facing a little bit of flu season or colds, it's a great soup to have on hand. Please do leave a comment in the comment section. It helps to support the channel. Thanks for your subscriptions and for watching the video all the way through. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, happy eating.